ball.
Careful, Liam. Take your time.
What's in the forest, Mom?
Let's find out together, Liam.
I hear something.
Stay close, Liam. Let's see what it is.
I can hop across.
Be careful, Liam. Step slowly.
Look at the shiny water.
It's beautiful, Liam, isn't it?
What's that shadow?
It's just a tree, Liam. Don't worry.
I'm scared.
Oh. You've got this, Liam. I'm here.
Mom, look at the golden leaf.
Wow, Liam. What a special find.
The bird is hurt.
The bird is hurt. We must help it, Liam.
Here, little birdie.
Good job, Liam. You're kind.
We'll get you home.
Step by step, Liam. We can do it.
Almost there, Mom.
Yes, Liam. Gently now.
You're safe now.
We did it together, Liam. We did it together, Liam.
That was amazing. That was amazing.
I'm proud of you, Liam.
I helped someone today.
And that's what matters most, Liam.
What an adventure.
Gratitude and respect make a difference.
I love adventures with you.
And I love exploring with you too, Liam.
I want to explore more tomorrow.
We will, Liam. But rest first.
Home sweet home.
And full of happy memories, Liam.
I helped a little bird today.
And that shows gratitude and respect, Liam.
Look at the stars.
Each one reminds us to be thankful, Liam.
I can't wait for another adventure.
Tomorrow we'll explore more, Liam.
I had the best day, and you showed gratitude and respect.
We're proud of you, Liam.